how to get a ChatGPT Plus refund. Watch this video till the end. First, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device. Then click on the two horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Next, click on your username at the bottom. After that, choose About to see more support option. Now select Help Center from the list. Then select the message icon at the bottom center and click on Ask a Question. Now click on Get Started. Now click on the message bar at the bottom of the screen and type I want my ChatGPT Plus refund. Finally hit the send button. Then when asked to confirm, simply type confirm and submit your response. As you can see, your refund request has been submitted and the support team will proceed with your request within a few days. However, make sure to check your registered email for further notice. And that's it. I hope this video helped.